Okay, here's a little trick. So if you take a, I'm working back in this corner here, and it's pretty tight fit. I can hardly, I can't really get the trowel in there very good. So what I'm trying to do is build it up at kind of an angle. So what I'm doing is, if you wet the stone first, and then you can coat it with your really good sticking concrete with fiber in it, and then we're going to slide it back in there, push it down. Problem is, I don't think I got it down all the way. Might need a stick. You want to get it worked right in there. And then make sure you don't have any gaps. So it looks like I need to put some more right in here. But anyways, it's a good way to, when you're trying to fill something up. And I put one down here, so I'm going to wet that a little bit, fill that in, fill this in, and then I think we're pretty much out of the concrete that I had mixed up. But I think we have enough.